everyone, welcome back here again in Manila, London. I'm so excited because it's so sunny and it's end of November, and I'm just gonna give you an update how my garden turns out when it's winter time. Anyway, I already cleaned up the garden. This is our back door, and as you can see on my left side and my right side here, ay nakakalbo na siya. Ito ang aking plum. Meron akong plum dyan, and also all the leaves now is gone. I have few of these leaves that's in here, and if you can see here, it's messy. You know, all my scrap from the kitchen, I just throw it in here to be composted. Yan. And the other side here, yan, another plum. Wala na rin siyang dahon. And ito, ang aking salvia. Ang bango-bango niya, oh. If you touch the leaves, it's so refreshing. It's like a mint smells. And then I have few of this plant that is still green in here, and I'm just lucky there's still some leaves, and there's flowers as well. And also, of course, I tuck in some onion. And on the other side here, as you can see, empty na yung pot na yan. Yung isa na yun, Irish. And also, look at this. I replanted my strawberry in this pot. I bought this in Home Sense sale, 11 pounds I think. And also, and in this side sa aming garage door, olives. As you can see, may olives. Oh, diba? Red olives siya, oh. Diba? Oh, meron pa siya dito. Ito, ang maliliit na olives. Yan, so ang olives is all year round. Ang leaves niya. Ang ganda, diba? And as you can see here, pag winter time, eto, nag-cut out ako ng mga leaves. Ito yung flowers siya. So, ikinat ko lang siya. At itatanim ulit natin ang mga branches na yan. This one is anthurium, and this is my daisy. Ay naku, nakalimutan ko. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen ang pangalan. Ayan, isinave ko siya. Inalis ko lahat ng mga ugat-ugat. I'm going to take them inside the house. So that's how you're going to save your plants, from frost. And then next year, after, pag spring na, pwede mo na siyang ilabas. And you don't need to buy flowers. Ayan, ang aking mga garden. So ito ang aking mga, natabunan ng aking rose dito. May rose dyan. Ito pa rin, salvia. Oh, may green pa rin. Hindi siya natanggal kasi green pa rin. Oh my God. Oh, tingnan nyo naman ang aking mums. Chrysanthemum. Ang ganda-ganda ng flowers niya. Kaso lang umuulan. Nung nagbo-bloom siya. So, hindi ko naman siya napakinabangan. So, ito ang aking garden at the moment. As you can see here. Medyo nalinis ko na siya. Namatay na ibang halaman. So, dito, meron akong ibang flowers na, hindi ko alam kung winter flowers lang siya or all year round. We'll see if mamamatay o hindi. Oh, by the way, dito may mga apple pa rin natitira. So here, all the apples is down. I got all the apples there. So all the apples that been, meron pa akong isa dito. Oh, diba? May na-harvest pa tayong apple. Nalalaglag siya from the tree. So all the apples that's been dropped sa ground, I chop them here. I cut them. So it's gonna be fertilizer and it's covered soil. Underneath of this, there is a garlic. Ayan. So, wala lang natitira dito sa aking garden. Pero ang aking herbs, meron pa rin tayo dito. Parsley. Ano na ang tawag dito? Ang bango-bango niya. Dill. Ang aking dill. Tapos meron tayo dito mga iba pang herbs. Oh my God. Ito, I like this. Iba pang garnish. So, some of them are blooming. Itong aking, I think, is all year round. Ang salvia, meron din tayong daisy. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Marami tayong mga green, evergreen pa rin here. Aking eucalyptus. I love that. Oh, this is so green. I didn't realize that they still green during winter time. Itong aking agapanthus blue. Wow. Still kicking alive. Ayan ang aking garden. So, yung mga strawberry leaves, nagiging brown na siya. So, hindi ko tatanggalin muna ang brown. So, it will protect from the frost pa rin ang kanilang mga dahon, ano? And ating sitting area doon, medyo nalinis ko na. Ang figs wala ng dahon. At ang aking, ano tawag dito? Cherry. Pero as you can see sa cherry, nagbo-bloom na siya. May bloom na ang aking cherries. Okay, so ang aking greenhouse closed na. I saved some plants over there. And dito, meron tayong mga kales. Yan, mga kales na ko. Sana hindi kainin ng mga uod. At dito, sa gitna, meron akong tinanim dito. I saw, nakita ko ang pusa. Ay, nako, kinakalkal niya dyan. So, I put the nets. So, it protects from any, and dito, meron ako ditong mga, diba? Mga leaves, pechay, at saka mga mustasa. And also, meron din tayo ditong, what do you call it? Celery. And then we have some spinach and more kale. Yan. So dito naman, nakita nyo is messy, but underneath I planted a onion. There's onion here. I planted the onion. So kung nakita nyo, meron na siyang new shoots there. So yun ang aking update ng aming garden. Kalbo siya. Kita nyo, may mga nagbubloom pa ang aking delphinium. I think I'm gonna grow more of this delphinium kasi this November meron pa siyang flowers. So ayan lang po ang update ng aming garden at the moment during November. We'll see in December, maybe full of snow ang aming garden. Meron pa akong flowers dito. Ang ganda. Fuchsia. Very light pink. Ang ganda. Ay, nalagas. I shouldn't touch it. Anyway, tanggalin natin siya. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang aking fuchsia. Okay guys, meron ako ditong kalamansi. Kalamandin, lime. Anong tawag nyo? Nagpa-flower siya, May mga flowers. Diba? In winter. So every year, I take this inside the house. I think I'm not going to take this inside. 3 calamansi. 1, 2, and then 3. It seems like thriving in my garden at the back. Yan guys, ang update ng aming garden. We only got small garden, but I made sure productive ang aking garden. So I just want to show you ang update ng aming garden during winter time. Wala siyang mga tanim-tanim. Yan. Kukunti lang ang mga dahon. Kalbo, 'di ba? So ang aming sitting area dito at saka dito. By the way, meron pa rin akong chili. May chili pa rin ako natitira diyan. 'di ba? Kailangan ko na siyang harvestin kasi baka mamatay na. Hindi ko na siya mapakinabangan. So anyway guys, yun lang ang aking update ng aming garden here at Manila, London's Kitchen and Garden. Ay nako, ang ganda-ganda ng araw. Ang gusto ko lang magtanim pero hindi pa pwede kasi masyadong malamig, mamamatay lang. Ayan po, sa inside ng aming bahay, meron ako ditong chili pa din. Ayan, I'm saving my chili. Hindi ko pa siya hina-harvest. Ang ganda pa rin niya, di ba? Ayan, so hopefully madadry na siya. Still striving, Pero pwede ko na siyang anihin so I can dry it. Some of them are drying na. Pero I still have some blooming here. Look. And because it's sunny today, ang aking mga tulips, ang aking mga daffodils, kailangan ko siyang itanim. Ayan nag-uugat na siya. I need to plant them. Yan. So you can plant them still during October, November, until December. Yan, magdi-December na kailangan na siya itanim. So, yan, magpa-plant ako today. Kasi it's sunny at hindi naman siya gaano malamig. So, I can plant that. Very easy. I hope I have more. Hopefully, I will give you more update. Maybe December or January. At nakakatuwa kapag kami mga nagbo-blooms na sa inyong garden. And may nagbo-blooms na rin ng mga gulay. Hindi lang mga flowers na nagbo-bloom na nakakasisiyo. Mga gulay din na makakain mo. Alright guys, ito lang ang aking update for now. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.